Hi, I'm James Cooper and welcome to a video. And today we are going to be making dumplings. Well, not me making dumplings obviously, because I'm not a dumpling king, but Sophy is going to be making dumplings and she's going to be talking all about it. Okay, so here we are in our really tiny kitchen, and this is some of the ingredients. This is minced pork and
beef leaf and sesame oil and big onion, so and then potato, but the vegetable you can find any like cabbage, something like that, up to you, like mushroom.
And what is this here? What is this?
It's dumpling skin.
We call it dumpling skin. It's like a dumpling wrapper.
Yeah.
And then you have a little dish down here. What's that?
That is a water for make it sticky together when we wrap it.
Ah. And do you use any sesame seed oil?
Sesame seed, yeah.
And where do you put the sesame seed oil?
Put inside it.
Oh, inside there.
Ingredient is inside only.
Ah, okay. So let's just zoom to what your fingers are doing so we can see it a bit clearly.
Oh. Then you can wrap it like that. I'm not so clever. Just slow.
Did you clean your hands?
Yeah.
Okay.
If not clean, you can. What you can put job. Now it is. You can make any decoration different if you can.
And there's the final result.
Yeah.
And how long did it take you to make one?
Don't know, like 2-3 minutes.
And how long does it take me to eat one?
That is your answer, not me.
That's about 2 or 3 seconds. So how do you cook them? What do you do?
The first we steam it.
How do you steam it?
Oh, you can steam it with the steamer, the big one, or you can steam it with the rice cooker, just normally at home.
And then after you steam?
If you like to eat steam, yeah, you just direct it. But if you like fry a little bit crispy, then you can fry it a little bit oil. That's it.
And then what would you serve it with?
The Chinese people, they like it with the soy sauce, but it's a little bit sour. That I don't know what they call. They call soup, but don't know English call what. And Europe, they like it with soy sauce.
I like it with soy sauce.
Yeah.
So there we go. I'm just going to leave the camera running for a little bit, and then you can see some more dumplings being made here on our YouTube channel. As always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Tell all your friends about all the different channels, and we'll have some more cooking with Sophy later, maybe in a week or two, so do stay tuned. You can turn on the notifications and then you'll see when the video will be released on YouTube. But in the meantime, let's just watch the genius, you, the dumpling queen, make some dumplings. Hoo-ah! So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, some delicious dumplings being prepared there. And all you need to do is steam them and then fry them a little bit, and you can store them in the freezer and you can eat them anytime. Many thanks, Sophy. See you all soon. Bye for now.